Hello friend, this is my second video on teaching Vedic civilization. Today I am going to teach you some more about Vedic civilization. So let's start. So the king of a small kingdom was known as Raja, whereas a Samrat or Maharaja who controlled a large kingdom known as Rashtra. The Sabha the king consulted the Sabha and Samiti on all important matters. The Sabha was a small part of selected people, selected village elders, and Samiti was a large assembly that was responsible for a policy making. The Sabha and Samiti. Anybody could give his suggestion in Samiti. Membership of the Sabha was restricted to the elders of the family. The princesses were allowed to choose their husband by Swayamvar. There are many. The women had a great respect, were educated, and even composed some hymns. In the previous lecture, I have told you about hymns, so you can refer my previous video. The link is in description. The participation of wife was essential in all religious methods. This is a coin of later Vedic period which is known as Nishka Krishnala. There are mainly 4 stages of human life. They are divided into parts of 25 parts. The first 25 years of a human life is in a Gurukul where he learned the art of life and religion. It is called Brahmacharya Ashram. The second stage of 25 years was called Grihastha Ashram. In this, man worked hard and got married and raised his family. During the third stage, he retired to the forest to meditate. It is called Vanaprastha Ashram. In the last stage, it is Sannyas Ashram. A man lived in a life of complete detachment and spent his life in preaching. There is before in the starting of the in the early Vedic civilization, there was a system known as barter system. It is a system of exchanging things with each other. For example, if I gave 1 kg potato to somebody else, he or she will give me in return of something in return of that. So for in that, the cow, as a part of barter system, cows was used as a standard of value because cows are very expensive at that time, and who has cow that is thought as a rich person. Is thought as a rich person. In the this much for today. Thanks for watching my session. Thank you.